Complaint from the neighbor.
Oh no! We broke Mrs. Jones's window.
Quick, let's hide.
Hey, you two. Come out of there.
We're sorry, Mrs. Jones. It was an accident.
An accident? Do you know how much it will cost to fix my window? You should be more careful when you play. This is not a playground.
Hello, Mrs. Jones. Is everything okay?
No, everything is not okay. Well, it's about your kids. They were playing with a ball in the backyard and they accidentally broke my window.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Are you okay? Did anyone get hurt?
No, I'm fine. But the window is shattered and I need to get it fixed.
Of course, of course. I'll pay for the damages. How much do you need?
Well, I got a quote from a repairman and he said it would cost $200.
$200? That's a lot of money. Are you sure that's the best price?
Yes, I'm afraid so. It's a double-glazed window and it's not easy to replace.
I see. Well, I guess I have no choice then. I'll write you a check right now.
Thank you, I appreciate your cooperation. And please, talk to your kids and tell them to be more careful next time.
I will. I'm really sorry about this. Thank you for being so understanding.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Making complaints.
Hi, I'm calling to complain about a dress I bought from your website. It's nothing like you showed online. The color is faded, the fabric is cheap and the stitching is terrible. I want a refund right now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me your order number and the name of the product?
Yes, it's order number 123,456 and the product name is Vintage Red Dress.
Okay, I saw your order here. I apologize for the inconvenience, ma'am. We try to provide accurate and high-quality products to our customers, but sometimes there may be some discrepancies due to different lighting or screen settings.
That's not an excuse. You can't just deceive your customers like that.
Ma'am, please calm down. I understand your frustration, but we have a policy for returns and exchanges. You can send the dress back to us within 14 days of receiving it, and we will issue you a full refund or a replacement, whichever you prefer.
How do I send it back? Do I have to pay for the shipping?
No, we will provide you with a prepaid shipping label and instructions on how to pack and return the dress. You just need to print the label and attach it to the package.
Fine, but I want you to know that I'm very unhappy with your service and your products. I will never buy from you again and I will tell all my friends and family to avoid your website.
I'm sorry you feel that way, ma'am. We value your feedback and we will try to improve our quality control and customer satisfaction. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Goodbye.
Thank you for calling us. Have a nice day.
Mobile phone complaint.
Hi, I bought this phone from your store last week and it stopped working yesterday. It won't turn on or charge at all. What can you do about it?
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt and the warranty card with you?
Yes, I do. Here they are.
Thank you. Let me check them. It seems like you are still within the 30-day exchange period.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Alright, then. Please wait here while I get a new phone for you from the back.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go. This is a new phone of the same model as yours. I've already activated it and transferred your SIM card and data to it. Please check if everything is working fine.
Wow, that was fast. Thank you so much. Let me see. Yes, everything seems to be working fine. The screen is clear, the camera is good, the sound is loud. I'm very happy with this phone.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're satisfied with our service. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you again for your help and professionalism.
My pleasure. Have a nice day and enjoy your new phone.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.